Today's battlefield is more complex than ever. The fog of battle hides threats that can surprise us from anywhere and at any time. To confront these threats, integrated solutions are needed. To know immediately and precisely, to decide on time, and to act effectively. IAI's multi-layer active defense solutions provide total protection from local arenas up to the national level. An array of detection systems warns of any type of threat. Ballistic missile launches from very long range are immediately identified by strategic radars. Any aerial threat is detected from a long distance by early warning aircraft with extended multi-sensor coverage. Both low-signature air threats and missile threats are instantly identified by multi-mission radars. Aerostat radars provide coverage from above, ensuring that nothing eludes the system. Advanced networks collect information from all the sensors and process it into an integrated combat situation picture. This picture is shared in real time with the command and control centers and the various defense systems to enable an optimal response. Arrow 3 missiles intercept ballistic missiles in space, and Arrow 2 missiles intercept them inside the atmosphere. Long-range air and missile defense systems neutralize airborne threats. Even the most challenging ones. Additional defense systems efficiently handle short and medium-range threats. And fighter aircraft, directed by the combat picture, simply eliminate remaining threats, ensuring our total protection. Moving our focus to the enemy's territory, we face enormously complex challenges. A well-prepared enemy exploits the fog of battle to hide hostile activities. IAI's persistent surveillance and strike solutions provide total dominance over very large areas. Synthetic aperture radars in space and optical satellites produce high-quality intelligence from any range. Special mission aircraft provide continuous real-time intelligence deep inside the enemy's territory. Long-range, long-endurance UAVs cover distant sectors. And fighter aircraft with advanced sensors quickly reach any location as necessary. Information from all the sensors is shared in real time using advanced communication networks. Satellite communications eliminate range limitations. The information is processed automatically to generate a comprehensive, persistent, and accurate combat situation picture in which hundreds of threats are detected, identified, and targeted. This picture is shared in real time with command centers and relevant forces in order to enable efficient action with minimal collateral damage. Long-range guided missiles destroy hidden stationary targets. Precision strike loitering weapons accurately destroy time-critical moving targets. Combat aircraft with advanced targeting pods enable independent sensor-to-shooter operations. IAI's total dominant solutions enable the detection and engagement of any target on the battlefield in real time. These These total solutions integrate IAI's world-leading systems and technologies to achieve unmatched performance in any domain. We invite you to see how we can tailor a total solution to fit your exact needs and to enable you to see the world from a different point of view. IAI, total solutions like never before.